noticing more speakers skittering around than usual. Nesting season came early this year, is what Mort told me. Maybe we should say something? To the Speedles? Like what? We leave him a nice little note saying, slow down, along with a bottle of Mort's gelatonium-aid.
Works for me. What's on your mind? Come on, let's hear it.
I am feeling a bit responsible for all of this. Perhaps it is because of me that the dimensions are falling apart, that Ratchet and I are lost.
Oh, yeah. Well, hey, your communicator's about to get fixed, so that's something.
Right.
So, this is, Zerky's Gastropub and Battleplex. If there's anywhere in the universe we'll find a part to fix you up, it's here.
I hope you are right. The destruction of the Dimensionator seems to have caused a sort of dimensional cataclysm. If I...
So, this is, Zerky's Gastropub and Battleplex. If there's anywhere in the universe we'll find a part to fix you up, it's here.
I hope you are right. The destruction of the Dimensionator seems to have caused a sort of dimensional cataclysm. If I cannot find Ratchet...
Don't worry, Bolts. I'll get you fixed up. Promise.
Wanna make your enemies go bzzz? Grab the lightning rod! I do hate to see you go, sugar.
Do you spend much time here?
Yeah, this place is kind of a safe haven for the Resistance. I hope the Emperor didn't find that out, too.
Welcome to Zerky's, your newly intradimensional gastropub and battleplex. I will take your coat and also all your weapons.
Think I'd be used to that by now.
Thanks for coming to Zerky's, where we slaughter with a smile.
Zerky's usually behind the bar. He'll know where to find the pirate with the spare parts. Whoa, the battle arena.
The universe seems even more unstable, unfortunately. No. Oh.
Huh?
Namaste, and peace be with you, Rivet.
Hey, Zerky, have you seen our favorite first mate anywhere? I need a signal booster.
Well. We meet again, my wee chérie.
Give me the part.
Did you follow me here? Another fruitless effort to win my affection?
Give me the part, Pierre.
Time and again, I tell you, my heart is taken. And yet...
Rusty Pete?
Rusty? Mon Dieu. Your friend has a saucy tongue. My name is Pierre Laferre. Pirate extraordinaire.
I'll fight you for it.
Zerky's is a violence-free zone. Taken outside.
I am more lover than fighter. But for you, I will always make an exception.
Ready to kick some robo-butt?
I have many issues with that question. But why not? Where do we sign up to battle?
There's a console on that big wall of windows over there. It's cool. I'll show you.
can have a dangerous battle arena.
Come on, Yvette! I thought you and your sassy backpack would put on more of a show!
You're messing with the wrong pirate.
That's not a burst pistol! Come on, Yvette! I thought you and your sassy backpack would put on more of a show! I spot me a foe! I got a ricochet! As amusing as this is to watch, fire, my mates, fire! Oh, there goes. What is going on? This is embarrassing. If I were fighting, we would have won by now.
I'll be here to bugger your fun. That's enough fun for one day.
Take the cover!
Ah, you are making the Capitan so proud!
I've got you in my sights!
Have no fear. My less attractive stunt double will battle in my stead. François? Ah!
The weak and pitiful Pierre has found his partner, who is
Francois seems large.
Why am I surprised that Pierre's running from a fight? Doesn't matter. I'm getting that signal boost.
Nice shot, but you'll regret it!
Looks like you're gonna need a new partner.
Just because he's been horribly beaten does not mean you will win.
It's me, Mr. Bond. And I'm
Stand a chance. Say goodbye. That won't be stopping me. Firing volley. You gotta do better than that.
That looked rather painful.
Prepare yourself, sir.
Automatically, I will get my revenge. But here, take your part.
Ooh.
Eureka! She's done it.
Ratchet, can you hear me? Ratchet, can you hear me?
Clank, are you okay? Where are you? I saw that Lombax take you in.
I am fine. In fact, I am with the Lombax now.
Hey, I'm Rivet.
What?
Hi. Wow, this is...
Oh, wait, okay. I have to tell you something. Dr. Nefarious just crowned himself Emperor of this dimension.
He did what? No. I've got my hands full with my own Nefarious.
That's the thing.
We've got to get him and us out of here, but...
Without the Dimensionator...
I think we have to build a new one. I met a prophet from Savali named Gary. He would know what to do.
I'm only a few sectors away from there. I can go check it out.
What can we do?
Do you have the planet Blizar Prime in this dimension?
Yeah? Why?
We can locate the phase quartz used to power the Dimensionator there. If I am right, we will be able to recreate the device in no time.
I guess we better get started then. I'm glad you're okay, buddy.
You too, Ratchet.
Be careful
out there.
Wow. Another Lombax.
Let's build this thing. Nice work back there. Bet we could win the Bronze Cup before heading to Blizar Prime. Wouldn't mind the extra bolts to gear up. You've gotten a little quiet back there. Everything okay?
I may have slightly misrepresented the difficulties of building a Dimensionator.
Well, I mean, sure. We all knew it wasn't gonna be easy.
Yes, but phase quartz is
One of the rarest minerals in the universe. Right.
All your weapon needs.
Hey there, Rivet! If you're hearing this and can spare a moment or two, Trudy sure could use your help on Sargasso.
Trudy?
She's a friend. Probably has nothing to do with saving the dimension, but Mort wouldn't ask if it wasn't important.
Hello, Dimension. I know I've been away for you know how long. So, I thought we should catch up. What have I been up to? Oh, just speaking with my adoring fans. Enjoying my lovely scenery. And finding out that there are two insolent Lombaxes running around trying to ruin everything! So, I'm offering a bounty of 3 squillion nefarious freedom coupons to anyone who can bring me those fuzzy miscreants, dead or alive! But preferably alive, so I can have some fun with them first. My elaborate spy network indicates that they'll be at Blizar and Savali very soon. So, get to it! And if those Lombaxes are listening, just know that I'm going to crush you into dust. And then I'll blast that dust into a sun, and then I'll dump that sun into...
Great. Now I'm on 2 nefarious hit lists.
And he knows where we are going. Oh, dear.
I haven't forgotten about you, Trudy. Let's hope Ratchet finds that prophet soon. Works for me! What's the matter with Trudy?
Oh, hey there, Rivet. Oh, she's just hungry for Zerpstones. Normally she nabs them from those rock islands up there, but I guess she's too tired to fly today.
Aw, up late partying again? Don't worry, I'll grab him.
Oh, you're a peach. We'll be waiting right here when you get back. Oh, I know. We're gonna get you some grub real soon.
A Zerpstone! This is just what Trudy needs.
You did it, Rivet! That should be more than enough Zerpstones to get Trudy here chirping again. Head on back to the Gelatonium factory so's we can thank you in person. Aw, Trudy, I know you like Mort's parties, but you can't just dance the night away and not eat. Trudy, look! Rivet brought you some Zerpstones! You know, if you ever wanted to grab some more, I'd consider trading those ranger boots behind me for them. I'll mark your map with all the Zerpstones in the area, just in case you're interested.
If we wish to look now, I bet this speedle would prove quite useful.
These fruits do look pretty tasty.
Ah, memories.
I am glad you trust me more now than you did back then.
So am I.
Hello? Do you hunger for bolts?
Hope all's well with Ratchet.
If I knew how to build a Dimensionator, where would I be?
Ever dreamed of tunneling straight to your enemies? Make the dream a reality with the Drill Hound! That one gonna be a doozy. Boost that bad boy! Nice mod, huh? Make sure to tell your friends now.
Hey, yeah, weird question. You wouldn't happen to know anything about building a dimensionator, would you?
Ratchet? Ratchet! Gary, your reputation precedes you. You'll need to go to the interdimensional archives. My apprentice can help you. But,
Town under attack?
how did you know?
I'll go check it out. I think I still remember how to stop an invasion. So I'm guessing these nefarious guys are looking for a Lombax?
Well, yes, that did tip me off that you'd be coming. Good luck, Ratchet.
That building just beyond the town. It must be the archives. Flying sniper bot? That's a new one.
Feels so good to be part of something bigger. Has the Lombax been located yet?
No. The town is emptier than the Resistance's promises.
An intruder! What a pleasant surprise!
Coming to get you!
Brace for impact. No need to thank me. Has the Lombax been located yet?
No. The town is emptier than the Resistance's promises.
I spot a rebel in need of capture.
The Emperor demands you make his business. Firing shots.
Another town saved. Now about those archives. No! Whoa! Hey!
So embarrassing.
You all right? That was quite the landing.
Who are you?
Sorry, you look so familiar. I'm Ratchet. I'm here to find, I think it was Gary's apprentice. I need to build a dimensionator.
Oh dear. Well, there's little I can do, seeing as my archives are walking away. How do I get back up there?
Oh, you're his apprentice. Maybe we could work together?
I do not make a great partner.
How about this? If things go badly, which they won't, we go our separate ways. No questions asked. Team?
Sure. Team. For now. In order to reach the archives, we must rescue the monks from Nefarious' forces. Here, these hover boots will help us travel across the mesa quickly. We will need help from the monks, Gary's acolytes, to reach the archives. They should be in their temples.
First stop, temples. Hey, I never caught your name.
Oh. I am KT-7461.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Oh, there is one of our senior archivists.
Whoa, can it be? A brother Lombax?
You, know we're not related, right?
Cha we are, by our mutual thirst for knowledge. Check this out. A shrine the Lombaxes built ages ago, containing a lorb stuffed with ancient info. But only a Lombax can unlock its secrets. If you could bring me 3 lorbs, I'll hook you up with a sweet piece of armor I dug up.
A Lombax shrine? I'll totally help.
Radical! One last thing. Shrines won't open if there are bad vibes nearby, so if there are, you'll have to clear them out.
So, I had a weird meeting this morning. Caden came in. Apparently, the council liked my mapping work on Savali enough that they want me to expand it. By mapping every dimension in existence. Yeah, that might be impossible.
There are 3 temples nearby. The Mountain Temple, the Primeval Forest Temple, and the Temple the Badlands. We call it the Badlands Temple.
Looks like I can't get that lorb until I get rid of the hostiles. What? Are you okay?
Yes, sorry. I have not been this close to fighting for a long time.
Should have seen that coming. You gotta get patched up.
You got the lorb? Nice. Then you should be able to listen to whatever's recorded on it.
Primeval Forest Temple. The Emperor has no respect for any of them.
Let's teach him some.
Hold them off for the Emperor!
Ratchet.
Enjoy this deadly laser.
Beautiful place this is.
You cannot believe how honored I am to deliver the Emperor's glorious fury. Then to the
Not gonna stop me.
Do not try that again, rebel!
Do not worry. I will get you out of there. We must free them from the force field.
You'll enjoy this.
Ratchet, I must use that terminal to free my brothers. This system is quite old and intricate. It will take some time to disable the force field.
Take as long as you need. I'll handle these guys.
I will hurry.
Troopers coming in the main entrance. So, that's on me. Yeah.
The Lombax is the law.
troopers coming in the main entrance. No, that's on me.
That one would have hurt.
Everything going okay, KT-7461?
Yes! Let us say yes!
We've got some more friends arriving!
Ratchet, I am halfway down, right?
Do not let the fun distract you, troopers.
Ratchet, keep your eye on the Nefarious's forces.
There is nowhere to go, little bot.
You should know better than to meddle in the
Oh, I'm great. Just waiting for this to get hard.
Get away from me, please!
They just keep coming.
The force field is deactivated. Brothers, I am relieved you are all right.
It is like so wonderful to see you, Sister KT-7461.
Did Nefarious' troops find the other temples yet?
Not sure. But we'll let Brother Gary know you rescued us. Good luck, sister. And Lombax.
One temple down, 2 to go.
I know the monks are trying to stay strong. But they are unfamiliar with the cruelty of the Emperor.
They'll be all right. We're here. So, KT-7461, do you have a nickname?
The monks call me Sister.
That feels more like a title. Let's try some out. How about KT? I got it. Sunshine. Your nickname? 'Cause you're yellow?
I do not think so.
Kit? We'll keep working on it.
Shields do
What did you want to know about the Lombaxes?
We believe the Lombaxes used, and perhaps built, the temples here. Do you know why they would have built them?
Not really. I guess it was to keep knowledge about the Dimensionator hidden.
Is that thunder I hear? Rain? No! It's the lightning rod! Finish them to send the lightning toward their troublesome teeth! Who's so cute? The drill hound! Our
got the bolt, sugar. Treat yourself.
I study each one first before moving on to the next.
So, how'd you get to be Gary's apprentice?
It is a long story. I am lucky that Gary saw potential in me.
You seem...
Ratchet, you found my apprentice. Well done, both of you. You're ready to enter the Mountain Temple.
Nice! Let's go...
Well, you're emotionally ready. You do need to overcome the temple's elaborate defense system, or as we lovingly call it, the of trial/doom.
Oh, I hate Slash Doom.
You're ready for it, I'm sure. Best of luck.
Who is
Clank. He always has my back, no matter what.
Where is he now?
Helping me stop Nefarious, but we had to split up.
Oh. I am sorry. Ratchet, we must save the rest of them.
We're going to.
May I suggest determining the best point of attack before you are detected?
Do not let him take a prisoner!
I am still willing to bend it.
At least the monks are safe behind that shield. For now.
here anyway? The Lombaxes.
Well, this guy, Dr. Nefarious, stole the...
Doctor? An alternate dimension Nefarious.
Yeah, and he, has kind of taken over as Emperor here.
This is worse than I thought.
Yeah.
Incoming!
Did you and Clank come to this dimension together?
Yeah, but he's traveling with someone else now.
A new best friend?
I hope not.
I did not mean he was replacing you.
Right, yeah.
More of the Emperor's forces.
At least the monks are safe behind that shield. For now. Should have seen that coming.
forces have been eliminated. Thank you, Ratchet.
Happy to help. And kick nefarious trooper butt.
Ratchet, that terminal. I must access it.
You saved us, Sister and Ratchet Guy. Thank you.
There is only one temple left. One more temple. Only one more.
We'll find them. I promise.